Welcome to the channel, everybody, if you're new. So today we're going to be going over inspections and how critical they are to keep your vehicle on the road and trail. So recently I was on this trail, pretty easy actually. I was honestly looking for jumps. Might have tried to jump the 4Runner a few times or whatever. So I found this part that is about 90 bucks. Not expensive, but had I not replaced this part, it's going to cost me thousands of dollars. I'd be stranded on the trail. I go off-roading by myself a lot of times. So for me, these inspections are beyond critical. And we're going to go into detail about what broke, how I'm fixing it, and how you can save yourself thousands of dollars when you're off-roading. Anyway, thank you. Subscribe if you like the channel. So I realize everyone watching this channel probably doesn't have long travel style suspension, or maybe some people do, but every time I off-road, I like to clean the suspension, look at everything, check for loose hardware, right? So in this inspection, I found a kind of a frayed limit strap, right? You can see it's starting to unravel, right? It would honestly probably be good for a few trails, but I don't want to chance it. If I don't fix this, this is going to cause thousands of dollars worth of damage, and we're going to get into detail about that later. Alright, so with long travel suspension, you have limit straps to prevent the axles from binding, the shocks from getting overextended, and the tie rod from getting damaged as well. So if that limit strap breaks and snaps on the trail, what's it going to do? It's going to overextend the shocks. It's going to cause axle bind. It's going to damage the tie rods. Okay, this is a lot of work. This is not a quick fix I can do on the trail, right? I don't honestly like working on a vehicle on the trail. I rather do my inspections and fix stuff in the garage, you know, at the piece of my home, than do it on a trail knowing maybe I don't have the tools, maybe I don't have the parts. But this one little find saved me thousands of dollars. So let's just say I broke on the trail, right? Limit strap failed. So what's going to happen, right? So the axle's going to bind. The tie rod's going to it's going to bend, right? I carry tie rod end joints, but I don't really bring the whole thing, okay? And we're going to destroy the shocks. We're going to have to replace the CV axle, the tie rods, the extension for the tie rods to make it fit with the long travel, and we're going to have to rebuild the shocks. That's going to cost thousands of dollars. This one simple inspection just probably saved me over $3,000. Okay, so we got the old limit straps off. Very easy to take off, obviously. So if you notice, you'll start to see the strap coming undone, right? It probably could have lasted a few more trips, but I'm not going to risk it, okay? I'm going to fix it immediately. Every time I find an issue with a vehicle, I want to get on it. I want to get it replaced. I want to order parts. You know, I want to know what's going on with the vehicle so I don't get stranded on the trail. Okay, so these are the old ones, and these limit straps obviously stretch over time. And we got the new ones from Total Chaos, right? And this company, really good. They picked up my phone. They had the parts on stock, went over and picked them up. Zero problems. I don't know if they have the most ground clearance for rock crawling, but they have, in my opinion, the best customer service. So I just got finished installing the limit straps on my Total Chaos long travel suspension. So I really recommend these inspections kind of like as a mandatory thing after any wheeling trip. Like I said, saved probably over $3,000 worth of damage from this inspection. But anyway, guys, if you like the content, please subscribe. It's a growing channel. Need all the support I can get. Anyway, thank you.